Let's see how to change the ringtone of the iQOO Z10x mobile phone. Go to Settings. Click on Sounds and Vibration. Click on the phone ringtone. You can select any ringtone you like. You can turn off the vibration if you want. Click on Custom Ringtone. You can add your downloaded ringtone if you want. Similarly, you can change the ringtone on SIM too. Again, if you want, you can add a different ringtone to a contact number. Click on the ringtone. Change ringtones in the same process.